If you no act your own, one day, of course, we must die. Parara. Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Solidarity forever. One love with better style. My country people, I don't come. I dey here, I don't get where I dey go. I just say make I close, make I open my eye, make I dey look. Make I dey look wetin dey happen for this evil country or for this better country wey be say na evil people na im dey lead us, na im dey aim of affair. The Bible talk say when good people dey power, the citizens go enjoy. When bad people dey power, the citizens go suffer, starvation, hunger, problem go dey the land. Na im we dey face now. And my point be say I dey use eye dey look all these old people wey dey for Nigeria. I dey use eye dey look all these people wey dem dey call elders, wey dem dey call our papa and our mama. I no dey see their handwork for our body. I no dey see their good handwork for our body. After some people say you are very disrespectful, you no get respect, you no know say na white man, you no know say na elder, you no know say na old man, you no dey see white hair. Wetin dem don use all this white hair take help us do? Wetin dem don use all this their old age take do? You wan tell me say if elders now, make I talk am say if old people now come out for this protest wey we put for August 5th or for this revolution, you think say dem for bamboozle dem the way dem take bamboozle all this youth wey police dey pick up around everywhere plus the one wey join and the one wey no join? Wetin our parents dey do to help Nigeria? Wetin the royal fathers of the day dey do to help Nigeria? Wetin the judiciary dey do to help Nigeria? See, none of una get level, one single level una no get. Buhari don position una, e don put key for pocket. Who try anyhow, Buhari go must am down. Now wetin una just dey display for us for here so? Wey una for first come out, make una vote, better vote. Make we fold their hand first of all for the presidential election wey pass for February so. Una keep quiet, dey look like ewu, like mumu. Una still go dey collect 5,000, collect 10,000. Dey vote for all these old yeye people wey we no know their name, wey no get certificate. Now una dey cry now say free Sowore, free Sowore. We no send una, una no campaign for free Sowore. Why una no do am before? How many of una come out for the revolution day? Now free Sowore. We no send una, no be una want free Sowore. Buhari know say e no get wetin e wan do Sowore. They no fit kill am, no fit do anything. They just wan keep am for there. Make dem say they do their own thing first. They first talk say na 90 days. They come carry am go court again, and court say na 45 days. Make dem take keep am for there. Wetin dem dey keep am there for? They no wan do am anything. Una no campaign for Sowore. Una go campaign for una sef. Una help una sef from slavery. Una help una sef from freedom. Una go tell una papa and una mama for house. So una don tire for slavery. So make dem give una freedom. Now una parents follow una destiny. Because they talk say not be one person dey born pikin. Yes, Buhari join the parents wey I dey talk. Tinubu join the parents wey I dey talk. Femi Falana join the parents wey I dey talk. Wole Soyinka join the parents wey I dey talk. General Abdul Salam join the parents wey I dey talk. T.I. Danjuma join the parents wey I dey talk. Yakubu Gowon join the parents wey I dey talk. Patu Tomi join the parents wey I dey talk. All these old people wey don rule us before, wey no wan tell us truth, wetin happen wey dem take scatter Nigeria. Dem no wan tell us. Dem dey let us dey fool ourselves, dey go up and down. After dem talk say the youth are not respectful, the youth are irresponsible. Where we for copy this irresponsibility from? No be for una hand. E get anything wey any pikin know by himself, no be papa or one or two elders e copy from as e dey grow up. Una say children dey do or students dey do exam malpractice. How many senators get legitimate certificate? How many governors get legitimate certificate? Even Buhari get better certificate. Buhari get better certificate, na Nigerian army help am keep am. If he get better certificate, he go dey for him house, dey for him fire. Una no know wetin dey worry una. Nigerian youth, Nigerian citizens. Una never ready. If better protest come, who be police, who be soldier? E dey say free Sowore, free Sowore. Sowore no need una support. The time wey Sowore tell need una support, una don fall in hand. Okay, now may I ask una now, how many old people come out for protest day on the 5th of August, this 2019, so this month we dey so? How many people come out last week for this protest? Wey we protest or wey dey protest? How many elders come out? And another thing again, all these billionaires wey dey Nigeria, because una get company or una get business, wey una dey feel say una go lose, una no wan talk to the government for the poor people behalf. Na only poor people dey come out for riot. Na only poor people dey come out for protest. And na only poor people still come out for revolution the other day. How many billionaires we see for street wey come out say free Sowore? How many billionaires wey come out say revolution now? How many billionaires come out say time don do for our freedom? Una keep quiet. Make I let una know, the day wey go set for this Nigeria, na una get things to lose. Na only this our miserable soul we get to lose as poor people. Now una wey be rich people na get things to lose. We go start to scatter everything together because charm not dey for war. I get level pass you not dey for war. Seniority not dey for war. So this una money wey una get at this level now, una better come to our level, make we cooperate, know ourselves, gain freedom positively. If the thing come out for hand, if this agitation come out for hand, say e can't go haywire, say e can't set, yawa come gas, everybody can't dey for battlefield. Your money no go talk for you, oh. Your level no go talk for you, oh. Your company no go talk for you, oh. Even your staff where they work under you go bone you, go back and fight for your own life. So now when they do yes sir now, make una take precaution, make una support this movement, make life for better. Una wey be king and queen, we get on our empire, get on our kingdom for this Nigeria, so we una keep quiet. When some of them they go collect money for federal government hand, they set their subject hand. The day wey go set. The day wey go set, seniority not there, oh. The day wey go set, custom and tradition no go work, oh. Make una come out, make we know ourselves. Now be say once something don't happen, una come dey say free Sowore, or free this person, or free this person. All those ones are mercy after death. Just as we put a date for revolution, you want tell me say if only 10 kings come out for Nigeria for that revolution, or there's still more of old people come out for that revolution, you think say police go enter everybody like that? I'm not there yet to beg anybody. I'm not there yet to insult anybody. I'm there yet to talk truth, wetin my eye dey see and wetin my ear dey hear. Nigeria dey fall every day and some people keep quiet say e no concern them. I don't care. Now we take reach where we dey so. But I just want to tell una one thing, the day wey e go set, na all of us go battlefield together. Na all of us go dey for war front, and no go see your money no go stand for you. E go be like judgment day. Your level no go stand for you. Nobody go do twale for you. Na the truth. Because for wetin me I know, all the king wey dey Nigeria or anybody wey dey born to be king get level pass any president or governor or senator. Because you were born to be a president. You were born to be a king. Buhari or any other president come also for their position. They not born them. They don't even know whether they go make am. But even from small pikin, even from childbirth, they don't know say you go be king. Why you call dey fear one person wey go hustle, wey go bribe, do corruption, take get that position? Because say you need money. I beg una, make una not sleep. I beg una, make una not sleep. Nigerian youth wey dey think say one day all these people go give una power. Na lie you. As they make our life dey miserable, so na so they see they train their children and their followers to take over for them. Say as we dey serve them now, our children will come serve their children. If we not do something physically, if we not fall out as we supposed to take fall out on the 5th of August, when they spoil, when some people go they do sell out. IG of police they talk, say anybody will come out for protest, they go charge them for treason and felony or felony treason. Which can talk with that one? That one are yeye talk, that one are smelly talk. I stand against that talk. 2011, Buhari, the present president now, and the former APC national chairman, Odige Oyegu, then Bakare and other dignity for Nigeria, Patutomi, they come out, they do protest. They come out for revolution. Even police go protect them for that revolution. Now I read Buhari turn now. Buhari say make anybody not protest. Say not send their protest, say they for go vote, say remove it. But they're not going to talk about protest. Why be say that they segregate people for this country? Why be say if rich man talk something, they go take and if poor man talk something, they go say no level. And a crime to be poor man. Anybody carry money come for heaven? Nigeria youth now know. Now those wey better done better. Now get things to suffer. Now the poor people they suffer. But more than not forget, till the day we go set. The day we go set, money no go stand for you. The day we go set, level no go stand for you. The day we go set, your crown no go stand for you. Now only this one God. And the good thing be say God dey for everybody. God not dey biased, but God not dey take side. Africa unite. Nigerians be wise. Solidarity forever. One love with better style.